So come with us as we replace some outside lights. For you apprentices and trainees out there, might be a little bit of a learning curve for you. And for everyone else, it's just a northerner on a camera, isn't it? And it just means that we've got almost a clean canvas, rip all of that out to do our lights, and we just work back to that point there where our whisker box is going to be. Oh, we're okay. Snip, snipperoonie. Now this is an interesting angle. Let's get these wagoed up.